Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. We are switching it up today. We are going to make dinner together. I'm so excited. We are going to make loaded cheesy potato soup. I recently got this recipe when Zach and I went up to visit our friends in Michigan, and for dinner one night, they made us this loaded cheesy potato soup. For some reason, it was the best potato soup I've ever had. So I woke up this morning, it was a crappy day. It is snowing, it's icy, it's freezing, and all I want to do is sit on the couch. I don't know about you guys, but when it's nasty outside, I just want to snuggle up on the couch and eat soup because it warms my heart. So, I'm gonna make cheesy potato soup for dinner tonight, and I just thought I'd bring you guys along for the ride and share this soup with you because it is seriously unreal. I'll show you guys the ingredients, we'll walk through every step, I'll show you every step, and then I hope we can enjoy some cheesy potato soup together at the end of this video. I have been staring at the ingredients all morning, and I cannot stop thinking about them. Let's get this baby cooking. This is the easiest recipe as well. It is made in a crock pot. You just dump the stuff in and move on with your day. So it is so easy and it is unreal. You will thank yourself for making this recipe. Before we get into this video, I have to show off my super retro black and white kitchen that I love. When I moved into this apartment, this kitchen looked horrible. Let's insert a picture right here. Look at this kitchen. Oh my gosh. So, I painted it black. It's still pretty retro, but it looks so much better. So, you need 2.5 pounds, about 5 medium potatoes, 4 cups of chicken broth, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of each garlic powder and onion powder, 2 tablespoons of butter, a half a cup of sour cream, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 2 cups of shredded cheddar sharp cheese. Shredded sharp cheddar cheese. You're supposed to use fresh shredded cheese instead of bagged. So you'll see me attempt to shred some cheese. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of cold water, 6 slices of bacon, and 1 bunch of green onions. That is it. The first thing we're going to do is peel all of the potatoes. Full disclosure, I am putting more potatoes in it than is called for. I like it to be hearty, so I'm adding extra potatoes, all the nutrients. So I will be peeling the potatoes, cutting the potatoes into 1/2-inch chunks, and then we're gonna place those in the slow cooker. Add the chicken broth, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and butter. Then we'll crank that baby up to high and let her cook for 3 to 4 hours. Let's get to peeling some potatoes.
Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes.
Now it's time to let that baby cook for 3 to 4 hours on high or 4 to 6 hours on low. So once your food has cooked for its desired amount of time, whichever length and temperature you choose to cook it on, you are going to mix your cornstarch and your water, which is 2 tablespoons of each. Stir those up, and you're gonna add those to your soup mixture and let that sit for 20 minutes. Next part is my favorite part. We get to prep the toppings. So I'm going to shred a ton of cheese. A ton of cheese. And this is where they say it's super important to use fresh cheddar cheese and not bagged. So we're just gonna take a good old block of cheese and shred that baby down. And then we're also going to dice up the chives or the green onions. That's also for topping. So if you're not an onion person, you can skip that step. Although I do think it's one of the best steps. The last topping to prep is bacon. So get ready for your entire house to smell like bacon. it's bacon time. So let's get to prepping the toppings.
You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into.
So I'm gonna make all of the bacon. You don't have to do that. If it's just for toppings, use your best judgment depending on how big your family is. I would do like 6 or 8 pieces, but I'm gonna do the whole thing because I love bacon. And I might even use all of it on the soup. I don't know, we'll see.
Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better.
Soup is a cooking. It looks good, although I will say at this point it needs that sour cream and cream cheese in there. It looks pretty bare right now, but it's gonna be good. And I know that patience is a virtue. It's kind of hard though. It smells great already. I'm excited. Bacon test. It's just right.
Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box.
Once your 20 minutes are over, it's time to stir in the goodness. So you're going to add your 2 cups of cheese, your 4 ounces of cream cheese, and your sour cream mixture. Stir it up until it's smooth and you are ready to serve. Don't forget to top it with your shredded cheese, bacon bits, and chives.
I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. This was such a fun video, mostly because it ends in food, which is always a great day for me. I cannot wait to get into this. Let's do it together, shall we? Let's see if it tastes the same as I remember it tasting. Yep. Holy cow. This stuff is so good. So good! I hope you guys are staying warm and enjoying your snow days in the warmth and the heat indoors. And if you guys have the chance to make this potato soup, comment down below what you thought of it. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you next time.